Welcome to the Vanghee Workflow tutorial series. In this video, we'll guide you through the Manage Workflow section to help you configure your workflows efficiently. With Vanghee Workflow, you can streamline your approval hierarchy, ensure compliance, and enhance transparency. This powerful tool allows for flexible configuration, ensuring that your transactions are approved efficiently and accurately by the right people. Let's see how to create a new workflow. Start by clicking on the Manage Workflow option, and then click the Create New button. Enter the rule set name for your new workflow. In the table below, enter the minimum amount. Maximum amount. If you click on the checkbox near maximum amount, it indicates an infinite amount. Choose the approver's names from the drop-down menu. These approver names are derived from the user details as explained in our previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the tutorial link in the description below. You can select multiple approvers. The default communication method is through email. Next, select the nature of the approval. If you select all the approvers must approve the transactions. If you select any, the number of approvers mentioned in the count box must approve the transactions. For example, in this rule, we have selected 3 approvers: Bhumika, Dharmendran, and Hariprakash. If we set the approval nature to any and enter 2 in the count box, it means that any 2 of the 3 approvers must approve the transaction to proceed. Alternatively, if we enter 3 were in the count box, then all 3 approvers must approve the transaction. This flexibility allows you to customize the approval process according to your specific requirements. Once you've configured the rules, click Save. Admin users can edit these rules later if needed. This setup ensures efficient workflow management tailored to your team's needs. For assistance, feel free to reach out to us at 87927400106 or via email at info@vanghee.com. Thank you.